guys, it's Eileen here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul that I'm super excited to share. So before we get into this, I just want to ask you, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with friends, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So we're gonna start off with my favorite find. I have been dying to find this beware sign. I've been looking and looking, so I was really excited to find it. It is very cute, has a little string up here, and the black beware is in that sparkly black. I'm not in love with the glitter, but I am in love with the sign. It just works. So they had a bunch of these books that are like boxes, really, and this one says it's The Witch's Guide to Potions and Poisons. I thought this was very cute to display for Halloween decor. They had a couple of other ghost stories and something else, but this is the one that I got. So I did take pictures at the end to share with you guys. I also picked up this white skull. They had them in white, and to me it looked like a charcoal dark gray color. I thought the white one was cute, more like what a skull really looks like. Obviously our bones are white. So I went ahead and picked up one of these, and it is cute. They had some more figurines for Halloween decor. I picked up this mummy. He's holding a crow, a black crow. I thought this was just so cute. So I went ahead and picked this guy up. So I also went ahead and picked up these LED lights. These are purple. They're meant for Halloween, but if you guys have been watching, I love the color purple. So these aren't necessarily for Halloween. They were just a must-have. And then my last Halloween item was this fright tape. They had tons of new fright tape. I got this one. This one is Enter If You Dare, and I think this is super cute to put around outside for the Halloween season. The next things that I got were more fall or florally. I did go ahead and get some flowers. I thought these Gerbera daisies were so pretty in red, so I picked these up in the red color, and they also had them in orange. The only thing is you had to be careful because the way they shove all their flowers in, some of the flower petals weren't looking as pretty as I would have liked, and they could if they weren't all squashed together. But that's what you get when you're paying $1. I also picked up a branch of eucalyptus. I thought this looked actually quite real, so cute. I like it, so I got one of these. This was the last bouquet of flowers that I got. It says trolls. I don't really know what that means, but that's what the label says there. And I thought these were super cute, and I wanted to just pop these few flowers in an arrangement. So that's why I got these guys. They also have lots of new plates, glasses, placemats, towels, etc. And I went ahead and I picked up 2 of these leaf towels. I thought these would be great for fall. They feel really, really soft. These are the home collection, 100% polyester, and it's a microfiber towel. And I really like how these feel. They do not feel like $1 to me, I gotta tell you. So I did go ahead and I picked up the matching drying mat for dishes and cups or whatever you're drying. I always keep one of these on my counter, so I had to get another one that had the leaves. I also came across the little trinket tray. This one says Dream. They had another one that said Shine Bright in a heart, and they did have another one. It wasn't quite a square. It was like slightly different shape, and it said Good Vibes. And they only had one, and it was cracked. Or I would have probably got that one because it was a different shape than the heart. But I thought this was super cute, so I got one of these as well. Eye Candy brand. This is definitely a new brand at the Dollar Tree. I picked up one of these clips. They had them in a few other colors. They had headbands, they had hard ones and soft ones. I also went ahead and picked up this plain black one. They had this where the dot in this little teardrop was also pink or white, and I thought that this looked like a really nice headband. It feels very nice, and a great clip. So this is a new brand, Eye Candy, and I took some pictures for you guys to see the other products that are out at the Dollar Tree in this new brand. And that, guys, sums up my Dollar Tree haul. I really had fun this week. They had fun things that I've been searching for. Still items I do want to find. I love the hunt, love going to the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon.